Hello, my name is Mr. Mola, and I'll be your teacher this year. For some of you, I'll be your algebra teacher, and for some of you, I will be your distance learning teacher. So some of you I might see every first or fifth hour, and some of you I might only see on Zoom this year. So I'm going to do a little intro video about me just so you get a better idea of who I am. So I was born and raised in Chicago, so I'm a big Bears and Cubs fan. Baseball and football are my two big sports, and then a little bit of basketball and hockey, especially now during the playoffs. Um, this is my 11th year teaching overall and my 5th year in Hastings. And every year of my 11 years teaching, I've taught some version of math, all the way down to first grade math, all the way up to the ninth grade math that we're doing this year. And then I recently moved to Rosemount with my family last spring. Otherwise, before that, I was making a pretty long drive all the way down from Rochester. I've been married for 6 years. My wife is also a teacher. She teaches first grade in Nimber Grove Heights, so teaching's kind of a big thing for our family. And then speaking of my family, we have a 3-year-old son who loves reading, cars, and playing with our dog. Loves cars movies. I had no idea there were 3 Cars movies until one day he saw the first one on TV, and then I looked and there were 2 more that I had no idea about, and now he just likes to watch those over and over again. And then the dog that he likes to play with, we have a 6-year-old black lab who's pretty spoiled, likes to sleep on pillows and couches and beds and all those kind of things. So this year the middle school kind of has a motto, and our motto is this is my year 2, and then you're supposed to fill in the blank, and my motto is going to be, this is my year to try something new. And I think that's pretty fitting because we're all going to try something new. This isn't going to be a normal school year for anyone. Whether you're all distance learning or whether you're hybrid, that's not something either of us have really experienced before, so it's going to be a year to try something new. And something that I'm trying new is to make sure that everyone's watching this video. You're going to take a attendance quiz after this, and on the attendance quiz, it's going to ask you 3 questions about 3 secret words, and the only way to know the secret word is to watch this video. So the first secret word for this video is video. So to ask you what the secret word is for the video, you type in video. To get the other 2 secret words, one of them you're going to need to go to Schoology. So your Schoology probably looks a little similar to this. So for next week, I have everything laid out like this. This way there's no confusion about what hours and everything is. So on your classes, you're only going to have 1 first hour, obviously. I have a couple because of distance learning and stuff. So we have 1 first hour. And so if you see this, all the classes will be set up like this. And the first thing you're going to see is the weeks. And we're going to keep the newest week on top. So right now, since this is the first week of school, we only have 1 week. But as we get into the 2nd, 3rd, 4th week and so on, you'll get more and more weeks. And then not only are the weeks there, but inside the weeks are all the days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then even the dates there with August 31st, September 1st, September 2nd, September 3rd. And then once we get into some of these math lessons, I also put the math lesson and the section on there. So this way you know where to reference it in the book. So each day this week, you're going to be clicking on the folders. So today is Monday, so you got here by clicking on the Monday folder. Tomorrow's Tuesday. Wednesday, we have our Zooms. Don't forget about that. So that will be there on Wednesday. Speaking of our Zooms, before we forget, those 6th and 7th graders that I have in my algebra class first hour, our Zoom is going to be at 8:30. And then I have a 3rd hour break. And since we are connecting with those distance learning kids, that's when I'm going to connect with those distance learning kids. So if you are a distance learning kiddo using Edgenuity, I will connect with you at 9:20 on Wednesday. And then my 5th hour kids will connect at that 5th hour designated time, which is going to be 10:10. So that's when I'm going to see all of you then on Wednesday Zoom. So again, first hour, I'll see you at 8:30. My distance learning kiddos on Edgenuity, I will see you at 9:20. And then my 5th hour kids, I will see you at 10:10. So if we go into the Monday folder for today, you'll see I'll post the video link in there, and then I'll also have this attendance check. So there's 3 questions in there. One is asking what the secret word from the video is, which if you forgot already, you're going to have to go rewind the video to figure out what that word is. And then the other word you're going to find out from Schoology. So up here on the top, your Schoology might look a little different than mine because I'm a teacher, so I might have some more functions. But we all have this function up here with this little envelope. So that is a message that a teacher has sent you on Schoology. So kind of important because if a teacher's sending you a message on Schoology, it might be about an assignment or homework, something like that. So usually there's a red circle with a number in it. That's how many messages you have. So you'll have at least one when you open up your Schoology today, and you'll have one for me, and it'll tell you the next secret word. Another way that a teacher might send you a message is through Infinite Campus. So Infinite Campus, I can just go and send one to all my first hour, all my fifth hour, whatever I want to do. So it's pretty slick for teachers. So teachers might use that also. So again, over here on the left side, yours might look a little different. You're going to have like a messages option there. So I'm going to send you a message on Monday as well via Infinite Campus. And that'll have a password or secret word in there as well for you to fill out. So once you've watched this video, you checked your Schoology messages, you checked your Infinite Campus messages, then I know you know how to check all three, and you can go and take the quiz there for the end of to mark your attendance for the day.